Alright, today we are making these little things. They are nice fancy handles for a seamstress seam ripper. Okay, so if you're interested in how I turn this little handle, it's a quick little project. I'd like to show you how that works. Right, first thing I needed was some seam rippers. So I bought a few and found out that in order to mount them into a handle, I need a 7mm drill bit, and I put some tape on it. It needs to be approximately that long. So then I took just an oak pen blank, put it in my pin jaws, turn this baby on at a fairly slow speed. Well, that's 600. I'll probably drill it. Just grab that. Drill it right out. Just that quick. And then, ooh, that oak smells good. I can grab that, set it aside, take another one, mount it in the jaws, bam, turn it on, crank it up. Anyway, if you're batching these, get your Jacob's chuck set up with a 7mm drill bit, get your pin jaws out, so now I simply just take my cone, put that up against that, slide that in like that, chair out of the way, and I'm going to grab my big old skew, fire it up fast. That's 1300 RPM, that's 1600 RPM. Alright, here we go. So through the magic of autofocus lenses, this is a new piece of wood, still in the pin jaw, still drilled out, and I'm going to turn it down with a big scary skew. You know, I could really use a new tool rest that's smaller to get pushed in here a little bit closer. If somebody's got one, they want to send it to me, I'd be happy to try it out. So we're running 2000 RPM on a little spindle. That's working pretty good. Not quite flat yet, and I could have heard that. Test it like this. Yep. Well, I'm not quite round yet. I have a flat spot. That's what I was trying to say. Kind of going up grain, kind of like combing the dog's hair backwards, but that was working. sneak up on that bead. Alright, we saved it, but I'm not round yet. That's a pretty good dog. Well, now I'll make this one like the other one we were turning. Just grab a point tool, put three little even lines in there. There it is. And then I grab my wood burner wire. That baby starts to smoke, you're in good shape. There it's smoking. Sweet! Now, I'll just run through the grit starting at about 220, zinging on up. No reason to watch that. Alright. Now we just want to get that off there. So I'll just gonna part this off, and this is spinning like crazy. But as soon as I get down there, it's going to just stop spinning because the power end is going to go away. There you go. So I've got a little knob right there and a little shape to change, and I'm going to reverse chuck this in a second. Okay, I've got a little blank here. I'm just trying to bring it down to 7 mm. Dog's out there. Alright, well that's really not working that well at all. Kind of funny looking though. Da, 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 da. That looks pretty awesome. Alright, well there we have it. Kind of let that soak in a little bit. That's pretty cool. Quick little project. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, tell your friends. Alright, today we are making these.